In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Google Calendar. Let's dive right in. Imagine that you're trying to get a closer look at your busy schedule on Google Calendar. Whether it's a jam-packed week or you're just trying to get a better view of your day's events, I've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be zooming in and out of your calendar with ease. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Calendar. Start by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the Google Calendar website. Once you're there, sign in with your email and password. Click Next to proceed. This takes you directly to your calendar where you're greeted with an overview of your schedule. Now, if you're like me and you've got a specific time period in mind, say the next 4 days starting from Friday, October 25th, 2024, you'll want to navigate to this exact view on your calendar. Google Calendar makes this easy by allowing you to customize the view to suit your needs, whether it's a singular day, a week, or even a month at a glance. Here's where the fun begins. To zoom in on your calendar, you have a couple of options. If you're using a mouse, simply hold down the Control key, or Command key if you're on a Mac. Then scroll up. You'll see your calendar zooming in, giving you a more detailed view of your schedule. The events and time slots become more prominent, making it easier for you to get a grasp of your day. Alternatively, if you're more of a keyboard person, no worries. You can accomplish the same zooming action by pressing the plus key on your keyboard while holding down the Control or Command key. This method works just as effectively, magnifying your view without the need for a mouse. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you now have the power to zoom in on your Google Calendar, making scheduling a breeze, whether you're planning meetings, blocking out time for projects, or just trying to get a better look at your day. These tips should help you navigate your calendar with ease. Remember, staying on top of your schedule is key to managing your time effectively. And with Google Calendar's Zoom feature, you're well on your way to doing just that. Thank you for joining me for this quick tutorial. Happy planning, and I'll see you in the next video.